I'm Brigg Blackburn from Wayne. I asked 8 people these questions, and the first one is, what is psychology? And they all said it's about the study of the mind or the brain. The next one would be, what are some psychological principles or facts that you know? People just looked really confused. They didn't really know the answer to that one. So, what is good teaching would be the next one. I asked some of the teachers this question, and they said it's when you get the point across, when the people understand the teaching. Do youth know how to work hard today? I had people say that some do. It just depends on their environment and how they were raised. And others said straight up no, that they don't know how. The next question would be, what percent of your brain do you use? One answered 15%, 50%, and 75%. And the rest said all of it, or I don't know. And the next is caffeine good or bad for you? A lot of them said it is bad for you, and then others had said both. They said both because they like it, I guess. And then this one kid said he has to have it to counteract with his ADHD, so I guess that helps. How do you know if another one likes you? I had answers like they go out of your way to be with you or make you happy. And then others said you just know when they like you. Why does odd behavior tend to increase during the full moon? I had 2 people that only answered this. The rest said I don't know. And the 2 people said because we're horny. Why do opposites attract? Was the next one. And half said opposites don't attract, that we're only attracted to our same kind. The ones that said that they do attract is because it's a variety and you have more interests to talk about. So overconfidence in this would be like someone that answered and thought they answered all their questions correctly. Hindsight bias would be like they answered it wrong and then you tell them, but they still thought they had it right. Like they thought they knew it the whole time. Confirmation bias is like not all the answers were right, so they use confirmation bias. Why do people think may have some of these wrong beliefs? They were like raised that way, so that's probably what they were taught. And then the other one was, can you tell that some of these were wrong answers? And yeah, you can always tell when they're wrong answers. Like they look weird or confused about it. So yeah.